tools, it will take you to this same thing, to your reseller tools, English or French, to speak French, take you there, Italian, Spanish, yeah, to take you to these places. So let's see how it is. We try this one first, and then we try the digital tools as well. I'll click on it, promotional tools. I'll click on the promotional tools. You see, here you have all the links that you can use it to generate more sales and more leads. You can also use link here to invite people to join the company presentation on Friday or Wednesday and the Saturday's one. So let's see how the other ones also work. This is the promotional tools. If you click on it, this is where and also let's see this digital tools. After digital tools you see GotBackup, then you see reseller tools. First of all, you see use these tools. So use these tools. Let me show you the reseller tools. Bring you here. For the promotional tools, it bring you here direct. So if you are speaking French, it will bring you direct to reseller tools French. See, when I click on the reseller tools English, got it. So in case you are using your phone or you are speaking French, everything is French for you. Click on promotional tools to bring it to French reseller tools. There are different channels to bring it to channel direct. You can speak Spanish to bring it direct. There are two. But the best thing is digital tools. Here you can see everything here. Even if you want to copy the link and show it or give it to someone who speaks Spanish, Italian or French, you can come in here. So that is the best thing you can use. So let's see this one first. Use these tools. Use these tools. That is there. Let's check that is there. Awesome. So here you can see that this is my dashboard or the space I've taken. I've been using GotBackup for some time now. So you can see the storage I've used. Notice I use 3.75 only with my phone, only with my mobile device. I use this amount of storage. But I still have more. Compared to if you want to upgrade your storage, you can also upgrade it here. And here is for see GotBackup gives you 6 terabytes, and with this 6 terabytes you can share with anybody you like, either a friend or family member, anyone with a family member or anybody you like. You can click here, then you share with other 5 people. They have to be 5, added to make it 6. So you give them 1 terabyte each, 1 terabyte each. Give them 1 terabyte each. Here is where you can upgrade it. Wow! So here too. This is the device that you can upload to any device that you have, either MacBook, any laptop you have, Windows, any laptop you have, Windows, any laptop or any laptop you can download it. You can download the app for it to be working for you. And just have this on. If you have the mobile device too, any number of the mobile device, you can still download it. Maybe you are using iPhone or Android phone. Let's click. You want to work with how to download it. Watch it. login, you can click on auto login. You see all my data. You see all my data. I mean my photos, anything at all.